Morning, we have turning 3 today out of Pittsburgh, Jackson Meiserol. We got your last name right, Jackson, but happy birthday to you. Enjoy turning 3.
Cool outfit, by the way. Next we have Aiden Forbes turning 6 out of Quapaw. Got a message from mom, dad, and your sister. Happy birthday, Aiden.
All right, we continue on with love from Grandma, Papa, Aunt Jessie, and Uncle Jess. Happy 11th to Rowan, Alex, Renee, Miller. We'll send our thoughts as well. Happy birthday, Rowan.
Next we have Janae Grenier turning 16 out of Elsmore, Kansas, and her birthday was yesterday with love from Grandma. Happy birthday.
All right, over to Oswego, Kansas. It is the 23rd birthday for Gwen Dean. Happy birthday to you, Gwen.
Out of Joplin, we have Joey Faulkner turning 25. Happy birthday, Joey.
All right, out of Joplin, yeah. Let's go to Parsons now. Young Kinsey Cowan turning 28. I think she's holding one of the flower girls in that picture. It's a lovely picture. Happy birthday, Kinsey.
Next, we have Lindsay Wallace out of Fredonia, and she is turning 36 today. Happy birthday, Lindsay.
All right, we move on to Baxter Springs. We have Shane Belden, turning 42 this time around. Happy birthday, Shane.
Next, we have Amy Utley turning 56, and she comes to us from Iola. Happy birthday, Amy.
All right, we head back south to Galena. Happy 64th to Charles Tillman. See Charles out and around, out and about. Be sure to wish him a happy birthday. We certainly do here at KOAM. Who's next, Bronte?
Next, we have from Parsons, we have Bonnie Baker turning 81 years old. Happy birthday, Bonnie.
All right, we continue on out in Neosho, Missouri this time. Miss Mary Jean Barker, happy 85th to you this go around. Hopefully you'll have a great trip around the sun this year.
And next, we have Greg and Molly Lovell. They're celebrating an anniversary. Going on 12 years out of Frontenac. Happy anniversary, guys.
Indeed, happy anniversary to the two of you. We continue on out of Columbus. Actually, we got a whole bevy of Columbus birthdays. Not only for Dennis Layson, happy birthday, Dennis. We have Amanda Tanner out of Columbus. Happy birthday to Jeanette Crane out of Columbus and Laura Leroy out of Columbus. Happy birthday to Amanda, Jeanette, and Laura. We also have Michaela Gibson turning 19 out of Walnut. She actually attends school at Pittsburgh State and certainly enjoys spending time with her friends, family, and of course her dog Annie, with love from mom and dad, of course. And last but not least, we have Louise Booth turning 81 out of Erie, Kansas this go around. And that does it for birthdays this morning. If you've got a birthday wish or an anniversary that you want us to shout about or celebrate, just send it our way to birthdays@KOAMTV.com or birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com.
You can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up, and you can even get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.